Right? Because I don't know who was driving. You're saying it was her. She's saying it's you.
It was him.
Okay. 6
I'm on probation.
Is
You
that
hit
out
your
of
head.
Georgia?
I'm on probation.
How many people were in the car?
I'm on paper. I'm on paper.
Were you in the car, sir?
You gonna be alright, man.
Yeah?
You gonna be
Okay.
alright, man.
No, this isn't. Who's
You
going
gonna
to
be
take it?
okay.
On July 6th, 2024, in downtown Athens, Georgia, an SUV driven the wrong way on a one-way street collided with a sedan. The SUV driver fled, leaving a handgun and an open container behind. 3 people returned to the scene with 3 conflicting stories. The legal core of this case rests on one question: who was driving?
Is what happened next.
What happened, sir? How can I help you?
I don't know. I just witnessed this over there.
Okay.
This car turned this way, coming up this way, and then.
You have a license on you by any chance, sir?
What's that?
You have a license on you by any chance?
Yeah.
You mind if I see a slide?
Driving. Would you like my license? This is my
Yes, ma'am. I just want his information as a witness for the accident report. Do you need an ambulance, ma'am?
I do not.
You sure?
I do. I just a little.
Okay.
But thank you.
Can you tell me what happened once again, please? I'm sorry.
This SUV was parked over here in front of the world famous. It pulled out, sat here, and then it like turned this way really quick, going the wrong way, and slammed into this car.
Okay. So he was on Whole Street and he turned this way?
This way, yeah.
Okay. Do you have a good phone number for you, sir? There you go, sir. Thank you so much. If you would like to be on the sidewalk or you would like to go home, that's up to you, my friend. Okay?
Yeah, I'm gonna go. My wife's over here, so I'm gonna go there with her.
Thank you so
And
much.
If you have any questions, just give me a call, all right?
How you doing, ma'am?
Well, I've been better.
Agreed.
That's good.
Can you tell me what happened?
I was just coming down the way here, and all of a sudden the SUV was going on the opposite line of the road.
I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry to cut you off.
No. I understand. I know this is not ideal.
You don't have a license with you by any
Oh, I
chance?
do. Yes.
So on which lane were you? Were you on the middle lane, right lane, left lane?
I was on the third lane. This is a one-way street, so I was on the third lane,
Correct.
furthest one from the left.
Okay.
I was going up to this light. I was getting ready to prepare to make a left turn, and then the SUV appeared in front of me and kind of hit me head on.
Mind if I see your license, please?
Oh, of course.
Who got out of the driver's seat?
I didn't see. I'm so sorry. My airbags went off, and I didn't see.
You good?
Or you're gonna go again. Right? Because I don't know who was driving. You're saying it was her. She's saying it's you.
It was him.
Okay.
6
I'm on probation.
Is
You
that
hit
out
your
of
head.
Georgia?
I'm on probation.
How many people were in the car?
I'm on paper. I'm on paper.
Were you in the car, sir?
You gonna be alright, man.
Yeah?
You gonna be
Okay.
alright, man.
No, this isn't. Who's
You
going
gonna
to
be
take it?
okay. I'm on paper, man. You gonna be alright.
Come on, I said. We're just gonna look at cameras.
Already.
You're not gonna get handcuffed. So it was your fault. So just relax.
Already.
Do
You
either
look
of
at
you
the camera and see.
Give me this. I don't care.
Officers built probable cause from converging evidence, not a single source. 2 independent witnesses placed the SUV traveling the wrong direction. A family member then identified the driver against his own penal interest.
You gonna be alright, man. Really? Stop touching me! Ma'am! No, I'm just trying to stop it, bro.
If you keep walking away, you're being detained, okay?
What the fuck are you doing, bro? I don't understand why the hell they keep making you cut down here like that, man. Come on. What the fuck, bro?
Take a seat and calm down. Do you have an ID, sir?
No, I ain't got my ID.
Okay, what's your name?
Smith.
You already got this information?
Huh?
Smith.
Yes.
Birthday. What's your birthday? What's your phone number? Two. Where y'all coming from?
I come from the house. I can't pick up.
Oh, okay.
Cause she said somebody stole her phone. So I'm trying to make sure she get home, get her phone back. And she
Okay,
married by
so
her
you were
phone.
driving the
No, I
truck.
was not driving. She married by her phone.
Okay, well, who was driving the car?
My little sister. She mad about her phone because her phone got lost.
Okay, all right.
She looking for her phone.
Okay, where were you at in the car?
I wasn't
Were
in the
you
car.
in this car?
I wasn't in the car.
Oh, okay.
I was outside the car.
Oh, I got you. Who was with her in the car?
Her, with the brown man now.
Or with the head injury? Just the two girls?
Yeah.
Okay. All right.
Mimi, you gonna be okay. Mimi, you gotta stop your shit, bro. You gotta stop me. You gotta stop me, bro.
Hey, just...
Can you get a hit on my face? I'm going to nursing school and I'm like this.
You gonna be okay, Mimi.
No, it don't matter. I'm so sick of y'all. I hate y'all. I fucking hate y'all.
It's okay, Carl.
I hate them. I hate them so fucking much.
Where's your
I
shoes
would
at?
never
Why?
talk to them again. I would
Why,
never talk to
Mimi?
you
When we
again.
try to make you do the right
I would
fucking
never
thing, bro.
talk to you again.
We
I
try to
would
make you do the
never
right
talk
fucking thing,
to you again. I would never talk to you again. You got me fucked up, bro. I would never fuck you. Fuck you, Johnny Key. I fucking hate you, bitch. I hate them niggas.
Tripping, Mimi.
Hey, just take a step back
I
for
hate
it.
them. Look at me. I'm finna go to jail.
What's your last name?
I mean,
You said this is your little sister?
That's my little sister, man.
What's her name?
She mad about her phone, man. She mad about her phone, man.
How spell her first name? You know her birthday?
No,
You know a year?
nah, she 22 though.
I got it. I got
I'm doing this.
Mimi, you gonna be
second.
okay, Mimi.
Name and date of birth. Last name Smith, first name spelling. Hey, are shoes in here?
The lady in the brown jumpsuit over there, standing with this young officer, I believe hit her head on the car here, so I think that's our passenger.
I see that. Where was this bottle found?
Don't know. I didn't
Who
say.
found that bottle?
I did.
In the passenger driver floorboard?
I got a gun in your car that came from the passenger floorboard.
That's her.
So 2 females?
It's just 2 females,
Okay.
according to the brother. Hey, has anybody ID'd the passenger yet?
I'm trying to figure out who was inside the car.
She's the driver. This is her brother. She came downtown to come and help him, but according to him, it was just her and her in the car.
Okay.
And but
You got her info now.
yeah, her Smith. Apparently, she's in the call already. Central found her.
Make sure it was Central, because
Tell him your birthday.
we already got it. I'm sorry?
Yeah.
It's okay. I got him though.
What's a good phone number for you, Miss Smith?
It's 7. Oh, my phone gone. I don't have a phone.
I'll keep the house.
Yeah, that was the whole reason why
Yeah, I guess
she's up.
Problem.
6'6".
We're gonna look for your
That's the whole
phone.
problem.
They think I'm my phone. I hate. Dre, it's okay.
talking like that.
Dre, it's okay. You
talking to your
ain't
brother
solid
like that.
anyway. It's okay. You ain't solid. You ain't do the same for
Hey,
Marcus. It's okay.
Miss Smith.
Man, be quiet.
Miss Smith.
Under Georgia Code Section 46391, DUI is established. Impairment to the extent that it is less safe to drive satisfies the statute. The brothers' spontaneous declarations are governed by Rhode Island versus Innis. Statements not elicited by interrogation fall outside Miranda's scope. His repeated "I'm on paper" statements are admissible without any advisement.
You're in handcuffs, but I want to read you your rights so I can talk to you about what's going on, okay?
I'm going to jail.
You do have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you in a court of law. You have the right to talk to an
I'm
attorney.
going to jail anyway.
If you cannot afford to hire an attorney, one will be appointed to represent you before any questioning if you wish.
I will never talk to these people again when I get out.
If you
It's
agree with,
okay.
if you agree to talk with us, Miss Smith, if you agree to talk with us, you can change your mind and ask for a lawyer and stop talking with us. Do you understand those rights?
I know what you just said to me.
Okay, listen closely, Miss Smith.
I've never been in jail before,
Hey,
Daddy.
I know you have.
Listen, Miss Smith.
That motherfucker is so shady, bro. I hate that
Man,
nigga.
be quiet.
He's just so shady.
You really looking bad.
Miss Smith, listen. All right.
I've never been in jail before.
Okay. Well, we need to figure out if you're going to go to jail.
I'm going to jail.
Okay. Well, I got to read you your rights so I can talk to you about if we're going to go to jail. Okay. All right.
Okay.
You do have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you in the court of law.
Okay.
You have the right to talk to an attorney.
Okay.
If you cannot afford to hire an attorney, one will be appointed to represent you before any questions. Okay? If you agree to talk with me, you can at any time change your mind and ask for a lawyer or stop talking with me.
You don't want
You
to talk.
understand how it goes?
I don't want to talk.
You don't want to talk?
No.
Okay. All right. Miss Smith. Miss Smith. You okay?
No, I
Are you
cannot
hurt?
breathe.
Are you hurt?
I can't breathe.
Are you physically hurt?
Bro, she doing the most, bro.
Okay. Are you physically hurt?
Yes.
Where?
I cannot breathe. I got anxiety. I can't
Okay. You
breathe.
just take some deep breaths, okay? Tactical breathing here,
I've
okay?
never been in jail before.
Okay. All right. You need to go to the hospital? Okay. All right. We can take you to the hospital. We can take you to the hospital. Hey, worry about me and you, okay?
He's laughing at me.
All right.
Nobody's
I
laughing
never
at
been
you.
in jail before.
How old are you, Miss Smith?
I'm 23.
23.
I never been
Okay.
in jail before.
Hey, Miss Smith, having driven that vehicle and the fact that you're impaired by alcohol, you are going to be placed under arrest for driving under the influence and for driving the wrong way on a one-way road, okay? You understand that, Miss Smith?
Johnny always driving though.
Okay, well, that's
I got
not...
out in the driver's seat.
Okay, well, that's not what the camera's saying and what your brother said, so...
I'm going to jail.
Yeah, well, you're under arrest right now.
Once handcuffs were applied, the suspect entered custody for Miranda purposes. Berkemer versus McCarty marks that transition from a traffic stop to custody. The suspect's invocation, "I don't want to talk," was scrupulously honored. Michigan versus Mosley requires officers to cease questioning at that moment.
All right, I got to read you something, okay? There's a lot more words I need you to listen to me, okay?
I cannot breathe.
Okay. Well, we'll have that.
I can't breathe.
Okay, you just need to take some
I
breaths.
can't
Okay?
breathe.
Is that from an injury? Or you just have
I
anxiety?
got anxiety. I
Okay.
can't breathe.
Okay, well, calm down.
I hate them. I hate them. I've never been in jail. I've never been in jail before. I hate them. I hate them. I hate them. I will never talk to them again. I hate them.
Miss Smith.
I hate them. I hate them so much.
Is he good to go? Is he in the vehicle or do you not know?
He came down here to help her. He said he drove down here to
Can
help
I
her.
get
but I
some
don't know.
water and some drink?
He's not in this vehicle, according to him.
Okay, is he good to cut him loose now?
Yeah, but I don't know if he can drive.
I got all of his information.
Yeah. Miss Smith.
I would never in my life.
Hey, I gotta read you something. Listen to me. Listen to me. Hey, the state of Georgia has conditioned your privilege to drive upon the highways of this state. Upon your submission to state-administered chemical tests of your blood, breath, urine, or other bodily substances for the purpose of determining if you're under the influence of alcohol or drugs. If you refuse this testing, your Georgia driver's license or privilege to drive on the highways of this state will be suspended for a minimum period of 1 year. Your refusal to submit to blood or urine testing may be offered as evidence against you at trial. If you submit the testing and the results indicate an alcohol concentration of 0.08 grams or more, your Georgia driver's license or privilege to drive on the highways of this state may be suspended for a minimum period of 1 year. After first submitting to the requested state test, you are entitled to additional chemical tests of your blood, breath, urine, or other bodily substances
I would never talk to you again.
At your own expense from qualified personnel
You
of
should
your
have got in the car
own choosing.
anyways. You stupid ass, punk ass. You taught them Marcus.
Miss Smith.
You a punk bitch.
What?
You never kept shit solid. You
Miss
stupid
Smith.
asshole.
You looking real
Fuck
bad.
you.
Hey,
looking real bad.
will
I
you
don't care. He told him Marcus. I don't care about him.
will you submit to the state
I
administration?
didn't do anything
You
though.
gonna stay longer with that mouth.
Hey, will you
I
submit?
didn't do anything.
Will you submit to the state administered chemical test of your blood?
What?
Will you submit to the state administered chemical test of your blood?
What are you talking about?
I'll read it again. Just please don't yell during it, okay? It's long.
I can't tell you because I got hair in my face.
Okay.
I have anxiety. Y'all
This
don't
officer's gonna help
understand.
you, okay?
I was.
Hey, listen, can you
I
listen
got
with
hair
hair
in
in
my
your face?
face. Y'all don't care
Can you
about
listen?
me.
Alright, the state of
I want to
Georgia.
talk to you. Leave me alone.
Okay, I'll take that as a refusal then. Okay.
What?
Alright. If you don't want to talk to me and you want me to leave you alone, I'm going to take it as a
You
refusal
just
that you
don't
don't want
leave.
to take the blood test.
I'm not.
I'm
no
trying to be
felony.
nice to you. No, I've never said you were a felony.
So mean.
Do you need to be transported?
So mean, Daddy.
He ain't being mean.
Do you need to be
Yes, he
transported
is.
to the hospital?
Yes.
Okay, alright. Very good. We'll have her go to the hospital and we'll go from there.
The implied consent advisement follows Georgia Code 4567.1. Olivic versus State requires this advisement be read accurately and fully. The suspect's persistent refusal to engage qualifies as a statutory refusal. South Dakota versus Neville allows that refusal as evidence at trial. It is not testimonial and therefore not protected by the Fifth Amendment. Birchfield versus North Dakota bars compelled warrantless blood draws here. Civil license suspension, however, remains a valid consequence of refusal.
He couldn't go to jail no more. That's why he put it on me. But it's okay. I'll take it. He couldn't go to jail no more. He would have went to jail for real. And he know that.
Why would he go to jail?
He got charged.
For what?
This.
Why?
He just said he said it was him.
But was it him?
I don't know.
Grading. Athens-Clarke County officers earn a B+. Witness separation, lawful arrest, clean Miranda, no excessive force. The suspect earns a D for the underlying dangerous conduct. Wrong way driving while impaired, flight from the scene, and contradicted denials. The brother earns a C- for mixed judgment on scene. Helping his sister was creditable. Volunteering self-incriminating statements was not. Lessons learned. First, invoke Miranda early and clearly. Silence protects rights. Explanations create evidence against the speaker. Second, refusal of chemical testing carries civil, not criminal, consequences. Third, family members at a scene should never volunteer status information. Fourth, independent witnesses neutralize any later denial of driver identity. Let us know what legal topic you would like analyzed in the comments below. Thank you for watching. Check out our second channel, Street Bodycam.